Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and I just want to share this video, which is something ridiculous. I bought this off Bath Bushcraft shop, and it's a fire steel here. You can see how big it is. It's 6 inch by 1 inch. This is the biggest ferro rod I've owned, and you can see here that I never used it. So this is a brand new ferro rod. This is ridiculously big. It's called the Goliath. The size is 1 inch by 6 inch, or 25 millimeters by 152 millimeters. The weight of it is 482 grams for this. Produces sparks over 3000 C, enough fire steel for possibly over 100,000 fires. That's ridiculous. And it's custom made for Bath Bushcraft shop. So I'm going to show you this now. Ignore my little ghetto keychain here. Basically, I got that one, which is like a little dog tag type steel. I used that a little bit, but I haven't really given it a proper test yet. I have a large pencil sharpener, and then some fat wood from Procamptek, which I still keep on my keychain because it has a hole in it, and just use it as tinder really, because it's really good stuff. A very ridiculously long lanyard. But this is ridiculous. I'll show you this now, but geez. Right, so I have no clue how this is going to perform. I said this is a first time use of it. You can see here I never messed with it or anything. Okay, so we'll get the coating off first, and then we'll see how we get on with this. Oops. Right, so. Oh wow. Let's throw some good sparks as well. And I haven't even dented that. Jeez. Alright. Let's put that in a little bit of fire thing there. Put that on the floor actually. So the tinder I'm using here is fire plugs. I like them. Jeez. It's just the fact that I was sliding on the bricks a bit too much, but again, with these, it's no problem. Yeah, so you can hear how wet this log is. It's just been terrible here lately with the weather. Right, let me just try something different. See how many sparks. Look how my knife is covered. But alright, so let's just open up that one. Open up that one a bit. Get rid of that one. Just want to see the spread of sparks on this. So, let's try this. Alright, so again, Alright, so that's just a quick demo of this. Haven't even scratched the surface of that. That's ridiculous. So, is it a good ferro rod? Yes, it does work. Who's it for? You know, bushcrafters. I would probably say active bushcrafters, because this is ridiculous. Who is it not for? I would say lightweight backpackers. This is heavy. This is not light. But again, it's gonna last you ages. You probably buy this and then would have to buy another ferro rod for ages, probably years, with it. And then it's also, if someone messes with you at camp, you just thump them once with it, and that'll probably sort it out. Yeah, it is what it is. It's a ferro rod, but it's just ridiculously big. This is like this is the biggest one I definitely have, easily. But I'll say I'm gonna keep playing with it with other stuff. I got a bunch of new stuff to play with. It's just if the weather holds up, I got to come out. Like, this is the first proper sunny day in a while. A few people on Facebook asked me about, they saw a little glimpse of this, and I'll show you quickly what it is. This is my ribs pack. I got this years ago. I first showed it when I went to Lake District. So this could probably be a video on its own, but someone just wanted to know. The company is called Ribs, and I just basically keep a Mora. Just gives you an idea how big it is. A Mora, my little Fathu drinking company one. That's my small knife. What else? My medium knife with my little light mod on it. So again, just shows you how big it is. That I got 3 knives in there. What have I got 3 knives in there is, I like the spine on this one. I could put a spine on this one, but it's just the whole thing. Personal preference again. And a large hank of rope. So, to just give you a bit of a size difference. Again, if you're hiking, and this goes well if you have a rucksack on, because the straps won't get involved with the rucksack. Okay, I'll do a video on it if you want to see it. If you want to see a video on this, let me know in the comment section, and I'll do that for you. But yeah, so that was that. That was a Bath Bushcraft Shop Goliath fire starter. Ridiculous, it is. It's just, that's just like if you want, you like things like to go big. Alright, so thanks guys for watching. Just another quick one. Hope you liked it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.